The 5-channel sorting machine is suitable for sorting and grouping tests of batteries such as 32,140, 33,140, 38,121, 40,135, etc. The control system of this device adopts a combination of computer, motion controller, high-precision servo motor, and high-precision battery internal resistance tester, which has the characteristics of high precision, strong flexibility, and fast speed. It also has advantages over traditional PLC and touchscreen in generating production reports, communicating and connecting with other devices, changing product models, and changing production parameters.